How do I set up an IVR number for my business?
Hello, business owners. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of setting up an interactive voice response (IVR) system for your business. This system can enhance your customer service by providing automated responses to frequently asked questions, saving your customers time and improving their overall experience.
What is an IVR?
An IVR, or interactive voice response, is a technology that enables a computer to interact with humans through the use of voice and touch-tone telephone to input responses. This system can help businesses manage calls and inquiries without the need for a live operator, allowing for 24/7 customer support.
Why do you need an IVR for your business?
If you have a large volume of incoming calls or if you want to provide round-the-clock customer service, an IVR can be a game-changer. It can direct calls to the appropriate department, answer frequently asked questions, and collect caller information. Most importantly, it helps you provide a more professional image to your customers.
Choosing the right IVR provider.
Choosing the right IVR provider is crucial. Ensure the provider supports customizable menus, call routing options, and scalability as your business grows. Do your research and choose a provider that meets your specific needs.
Setting up your IVR.
The setup process might differ slightly depending on your provider, but typically, it involves the following steps. 1. Design your IVR menu. Plan out what options you want to offer your callers. This could include departments like sales, support, or billing, and general information like business hours or locations. 2. Record your IVR messages. You'll need to record the messages that guide callers through your menu. This could be done by a professional voice artist or anyone with a clear and friendly voice. 3. Configure your IVR system. Using the interface provided by your IVR service provider, upload your recordings and configure the call routing based on the options in your menu. 4. Test your IVR system. Before going live, make sure to thoroughly test your IVR system. Check that all options are working as intended and that calls are being routed correctly.
Managing and updating your IVR.
Once your IVR system is live, it's important to keep it updated. If your business hours change or you add a new department, make sure to update your IVR menu accordingly. Regularly reviewing and updating your system will ensure it continues to serve your customers effectively. Setting up an IVR system for your business may seem like a daunting task, but it can provide huge benefits in terms of improved customer service and efficiency. Remember to plan, test, and regularly update your system for optimal results. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with your own IVR. Thanks for watching, and here's to your business success.